how do you make a heart like this? Sit back, I'll tell you everything now. So, for a heart like this, we'll need 36 beads of any size and color and about 15 meters of fishing line. So, the first thing we do is make the first square. Take 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Secure them almost at the very end. I secure them with a knot. Pull the fishing line through. Like this. That's it, they won't come apart anywhere. Next, take 3 beads and pass the fishing line through the other side. Where the fishing line comes out, from the bead, only on the other side. Tighten. This is what we have. To secure it, you can go around the fishing line, but I won't do that. Turn our weaving. We'll use this tip as a guide. And pass the fishing line through the top bead. Take 3 beads. And with the tip, enter from the other side, where the thread comes from, only on the other side. Secure. This is what we should have for now. What do we do next? We pass the fishing line through 1, 2, 3 and come out of the 4th bead. Here are 2 beads from here and we pass the tip through this and this bead. That's it, fasten it all. This is what we have so far. Here's the fishing line where it all began. Orient yourself. Next, we pass the fishing line into the bead on the right. We take 3 beads and pass the tip from the bead from which the fishing line comes out, but fasten it on the other side. This is what we have so far. Here's the fishing line. We orient ourselves by it. This is what our weaving looks like. Next, we go down with the fishing line to the bottom bead. We take 3 beads and enter the same bead, only from the other side with the fishing line. And tighten it. Next, we exit the fishing line into the right bead. Take 3 beads. So, we pass the iron from the other side. This is the white. Tighten it. This is what we have so far. What shape? Next, we need to pass through these 3 beads. 1, 2, and come out of this bead in the center. Take 2 beads and pass them through this one and this one. 1, 2, like this. Come out of the center one again. This is what we have. Don't worry, we'll narrow this whole thing with fishing line later if it's a little loose. What do we do next? We go through a bead. We need to come out through this bead, that is, through this one and this one. And so we take 3 beads and pass them from above through this bead. Fasten them. This is how I tried it a little here. This is how we start making the second half. Here I have a bead, the fishing line is inside. Next, we need to go out with the fishing line through this top bead, through this one. That is, go up and to the right and come out here. Take 3 beads and go into the bead on the other side, from which the fishing line comes out. Pull it out, then the fishing line needs to come out through this bead, that is, down and to the right. So, this is how you should get it. We started with this fishing line. This is the fishing line. Let's continue. Take 2 beads and pass them through this one and this one. Like this. And then. Here, the fishing line has come out. Next, we need to come out through the top bead, this one. Take 3 beads and also pass the fishing line through from the other end. Tighten. We come out through the bead on the right. So, the last step, we take 2 beads. I put a ring between them, like this. You don't have to do this. And we pass through this bead and this one. So, I won't miss it. Like this. That's it, fasten it, tighten it. Well, now our heart is ready, and at this stage we can tighten it. We will now pass the fishing line through all the beads and tighten it. So, we have gone along this row. Now we will bring the fishing line up here to our beginning. Well, now we'll just start hiding our fishing line around the entire perimeter of the heart like this. Just don't hide it like this, but rather the ones that are close by. Otherwise, your fishing line will be all alone in the middle, and it won't look good. There. We go like this and thereby strengthen our heart, where we had it a little loose. Now we'll tighten the whole thing chaotically around the entire perimeter. So, I've drawn this fishing line around the entire perimeter. How do we now hide it all the way? This fishing line, which we started with, we'll go down. So, this fishing line that we have left, which we braided. That's it. I take it like this and make a loop inside the bead. So, it's inside. And I tie it with a knot. Like this, inside. That's it, it's not going anywhere. You can also pass this edge around the heart a couple more times. You can pass this one up. And that's it. Cut off the ends. That's it, our little heart is ready. As you can see, all the gaps that were there have all been tightened. Wear it with pleasure. I hope everything works out for you.